Hey there, Shinky here, making AI simple, useful, and powerful for you. Today, we're diving into the world of AI startups and how the next big thing might not start with code, but with a prompt. Brad Menezes, CEO of Superblocks, suggests that the most promising startup ideas in the AI era will come from reverse engineering prompts. Superblocks has open sourced 19 real world AI system prompt frameworks, which are like the building blocks behind the scenes. The key takeaway: only 20% is about the prompt. The other 80% is what you build around it. So, if you're hunting for your next big idea, think about what AI is already doing well and how you can turn that into a product. Now, let's talk about Yepic AI. Want to generate video messages? It's easy. Just visit Yepic AI, sign up, choose a talking avatar, paste your script, customize the voice, and generate your video. Simple as that. And for those looking to boost productivity, here are 5 tools to check out. Visla for creating videos from scripts, Raw Shorts for animated explainer videos, Narado for content planning, Draw for custom AI portraits, and Fodor AI for selecting your best photos. In other news, Anthropic has launched Claude Gov, an AI model for classified U.S. intelligence tasks, and Rhyme's new text-to-speech model, Arcana, is boosting sales with its human-like voices. Plus, Samsung's Klein is turning natural language into code, making it easier for teams to develop software. Finally, as AI transforms institutions, we must ask, what is our unique human value in an AI-first world? It's about judgment, context, empathy, and ethical stewardship. As technology accelerates, institutions need to evolve from gatekeepers of expertise to curators of wisdom. Thanks for tuning in. Until tomorrow, Shinky and the Hanuman AI team.